Hi, this is Paul at Reliable POD, and this is a tutorial on how to create designs for dog scarves using our templates for the Shopify app. The first thing you'll want to do is download the template. To do that, pop across to our website, find the product that you're looking for, scroll down, and you'll find there's the overall image size, a link to download the template. There'll be a video here on how to use the template. Then at the bottom of the screen, you've got some free Photoshop mockups that you can use to create your own artwork. If you've not used product mockups before, there's also a video there showing you how to use them. So download your download your template, open it up in your graphics program. We're using Photoshop. First thing you'll see is the overall image size, 3032 pixels by 1552 pixels. You'll also notice, obviously, the dog scarf, pet scarf is a weird shape. It's not your normal square or rectangle. So this white part of the image is totally not used, but we've still got to fill it with something in order that we can upload the image. So the critical image area is the blue area. Anything you print in there will definitely be printed. Anything that's in the red area is a bleed area, and that can be missed. This is relative with this product because we've got, I think we've got 4 different sizes. So we've got a big scale across the sizes as we enlarge the image to make it bigger. So I've created a design which is here. If we do image and image size, you'll see that's at the correct resolution. So if I just copy that and then paste that into the app, you will see that that fits perfectly. If you then want to check which parts of the design we're missing with the bleed area, if you come down to the opacity area here, that's currently set at 100%. If you lower that down to about 40%, you'll be able to see which parts of the image will be printed. This area here will definitely not be printed, and this area, depending on what size scarf you're ordering, will possibly be printed, but anything in the blue would definitely be printed. So once you've checked that and you're happy, make sure that you pull the opacity back up to 100%, save that as a JPEG and upload it into your Shopify app, and all should be good. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.